Hey guys, I hope you're having a lovely day today. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of January 2022, the first bag of the year. I'm so excited to share with you guys what I got in my bag. So if you guys want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. So guys, this bag recently went through a change. So it used to be $25, now it's $28 a month, and you get 5 full-size beauty products delivered to your door every month at a fraction of the cost. And usually I share with you guys my choices. I always like to record that because I like to talk about the options that Ipsy gives us, what kind of products we get to choose from. But I have an extra account that I use for Glam Bag X months, and I forgot to cancel it, and so I got 2 bags this month, and the one that was delivered was actually the extra account. I was like, what? I thought it was my regular account that I always record. That one is hasn't shipped, I believe. It's really late, so I'm not going to record that one. I'm going to share this with you guys because I still can talk about everything that I get in this little bag, and I did get to choose a product from it. But I know that my other bag was a little bit more interesting. But for some reason, Ipsy hasn't shipped it yet, even though I customized that a day before I did this one because I forgot about my second subscription. But anyway, we're still going to talk about what I get in my bag. So, again, this is the little bag this month. I think it's beautiful. It's so adorable. It's a tie-dye theme. So I did just unbag for a different video my $13 Glam bag, little bag. And that one's a lot cuter in my opinion. Let me show you. So see, you get this really cool, very nice and thick bag, whereas this is a very thin cloth. I know people mention it all the time that they don't like these bags. I don't mind getting them. I feel because I'm subscribed to both possibly, but I just wish that this was kind of like this material but just bigger instead of just this very, very thin cloth. But just wanted to show you guys them together. They're so pretty though this month. I do like the little smiley face. Maybe people don't like that, but I know I do. Let's take a look inside. So this month for Ipsy, the theme is happy vibes, which I love. I'm all about the happy vibes, and I feel weird that I don't have my options open to show you guys, but I know that the other bag I had more colorful stuff to choose from, so maybe I'll include some shots in here of what I was able to actually pick. Okay, so the first item here I did get through both bags. They chose this for me, so maybe I'm gonna open this one, and the other one I'll include in a future giveaway or give it to someone that I know. It's the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. I love getting Fenty Beauty in my subscriptions. Can you focus? I love their packaging, and I feel I have one of these highlighters somewhere. So in the other bag, I feel I got the same shade. Okay, this shade is Hustler Baby. I got the same one. I have the other account open just so that I can compare and see what things I get. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Their packaging is beautiful. I love that. So reflective, so pretty. So let's open this up. It's a very pretty shade. I love these compacts because you have a mirror, and that's what the highlighter actually looks like. Very, very pretty. Let me swatch it. So this is Hustler Baby. So it's a gold tone highlighter. Very, very pretty. So I'll include the other one maybe in a giveaway because I love these highlighters, and I'm glad that I was able to get 2. I kind of regretted that I had to pay double because I didn't want 2 bags, but I forgot. Now I have to kind of pause or cancel this one so I could just get the other one, because my other account, I feel it's more personalized. I've used it longer, and I've reviewed a lot more stuff on there, so I usually get better options on that one. I've come to realize that this account I only use for Glam Bag X months, and I feel I always get products from in this account that I've gotten through the other one, the next item that I'm going to show you, which this is the Balm and the Beautiful eyeshadow palette. I know I have one of these. I don't know if it's this one. I'm not going to swatch it, but I'm going to show you because I have to confirm. But it's a very nude palette. I feel I have it. So I do like this brand. I like their packaging. It's so unique, so different. A lot of the stuff looks the same though, the same kind of vibe. And then no mirror, but here's the palette. It's very neutral except for the burgundy shade, which I feel is still kind of neutral. Well, no, it's a little different. It can make things a little bit more fun. It's had a shimmer that does look a little bit satiny, a little not too matte, but this is what the palette looks like. It's very neutral, but I feel a lot of people love this. I have a lot of this kind of palette. and it's very pretty and safe. Not everyone wants like super wild, like colorful eyeshadow palettes, so I feel like it's safe and maybe for like everyday wear. I have to confirm if I have it or not. If I don't, I'll give it away to someone. But that I feel like I got before. I know I was not offered this in my other account. Like that one, I feel like I wasn't offered it in that one because they know I own it. That's why I feel like I own it. But anyway, so the next item here, I know I got the same one through the other account, but the other one was better. So it's another palette actually. I think when I chose these items, I was like, okay, let me choose extra stuff. Not necessarily like when I do my regular account, like if I get a palette, I like to then go choose a blush and a lipstick and try to choose items from different categories. For the most part, I try to do that. But with this one, I was just choosing things that I didn't have, I feel like, except like this they chose for me, even though I already owned it. The palette that I got from this one, my next product, I should say, is the Formula Z So Pretty Transformation Shadow Palette. This is so pretty. The packaging is gorgeous. I'm not getting rid of this box, but actually it's the same inside too, like the actual palette. Oh my god, so pretty. Now the one that I chose for my regular account, it's way more beautiful. Let me show you. Oh, actually this is beautiful. I feel bad. It's actually pretty too. Sorry, I'm scrolling here to show you. I'm gonna include like a little clip here of the one that I chose for my original account. Is the Cosmic Glitz palette. It has a beautiful blue. I feel like that's like a lavender too. There's more colors in it. It's more like more festive. Not festive. I don't know. It's just more colorful and more exciting, at least for me. And this one is the So Pretty Transformation palette. Okay, I'm guessing that's what this one is called. But the other one says Cosmic Glitz. It has a little mirror, which I like. But it's more on the soft, like neutral side. And this is what it looks like. Now I feel kind of bad because it's still beautiful, guys. I feel like this palette is gorgeous. Look at those glitters, the shimmers. You have a deep brown to make things a little bit smoky and deeper. So it is really pretty. But because I know that I chose the other one with that blue color, I was like, oh, it's not the same. Like the other one's better. But I'm glad to have both. I'm excited to get both. These I'm going to keep to myself because this is a new brand for me, at least. Let me know if you guys have tried this brand before. So I'm excited to try these out and to own both of them. But the other one is definitely very pretty. So, and I love these small palettes. They're my favorite thing now. Getting palettes like this that I can travel with. I love that. Let's see what I have next. Next I have the Contact Skin Nude Balm. This is a set of 2 lip balms, I believe. I have the shades All or Nothing and Hard Time. I just got a lipstick from this brand in my BoxyCharm box for this month. Very pretty. But I do have a lot of balms from them. Let me see. This one is the shade All or Nothing. And it looks like it's very nude. I feel like I own this one already and I love it. So I'm definitely going to get use out of it. They're very hydrating, but you get like a little bit of pigment, a little bit of a tint. This one is a little deeper. How interesting. This is beautiful. Let me see. See, so it is like very balmy over here. But it's so hydrating and I love like just having a little bit of a tint on your lips and having the hydration from it. So that's really cool. I like these lip balms and I need them now with all the dryness that I have going on. The last product in my box, in my bag I should say, is a set of brushes from Hip Dot. Ooh, these look so pretty. I have a lot of palettes from Hip Dot and I love their formula. Now I just love getting brushes, especially when they're this pretty. Oh my gosh, hold on. Oh my gosh, they're like ombre. How do I show them correctly? See, these are like ombre effects. They're so pretty. So you have like, is that like a silver? I don't know. And black. They feel beautiful. I don't know. I love these brushes. They feel soft. So you have some blending brushes and like one small one. I hope that these are nice brushes because I love getting new brushes. And they're just really pretty. So you have an eye smudge brush, a blend brush, a cut crease brush. Oh, that's a cut crease brush. That looks like a blending brush. Okay. And then an all over shadow brush. Okay, so I'm gonna get use out of these for sure because I go through shadow brushes like so quickly. And I think that was the last item. So I got a brush set. I got 2 palettes, 2 very nude palettes. But again, I'm getting the other one, so it's okay. A Fenty Beauty highlighter. and a set of 2 lip balms from Contact Skin. So to be honest, I like this bag. If I was just to judge this bag alone, I like what I got. The other one that I got is way better, and I'm so excited to get that one. I remember my 5th product, I chose a Danessa Myricks, like I feel like it's a liquid blush or creamy blush that I can't wait to try that out. Maybe I'll do a video when I receive everything, like just trying new makeup, and include those items in that video, and include this the other little palette from this brand that has the blue. I need to use that palette, so maybe I'll make a video with that. So I made a video recently where I tried out new makeup, and I tried makeup from my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus from last month, and I tried the Shayna B Miami Nights palette. If you're subscribed to Ipsy, you know what I'm talking about, and I loved it. So if you guys haven't checked that out, I'll link it here somewhere. That palette really surprised me. I thought it was gonna be so like deep and red, and it was beautiful. And I played with a lot of like new makeup in there from my subscription boxes. So I think I'll do that again this month, possibly, with like all the makeup that I get that gets me really excited, and make a new video just trying everything out. But that was it for my little Glam Bag Plus this month. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, what did you get in your bags? Did you love it? Did you hate it? How do you feel about Ipsy? I feel like a lot of people are very disappointed with Ipsy lately. I guess you have to be critical because you're paying your money. You're a customer. I pay money for my bags, my boxes. So like if I don't like something, I canceled my Glam Bag X. I was not too happy, so I didn't get that last month because I just did not want to spend too much money. I canceled some of my BoxyCharm boxes. For the most part, Ipsy makes me the most happy, I feel like, because of the customization thing. Like I get to customize my products more, and that makes me really happy. But overall, I like what I got this month. I'm glad I got 2 bags, but I'm definitely gonna pause this one for next month and just get my regular account. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye.